Welcome to our documentary on the fascinating world of tiger stripes, where nature's artistry meets individuality. In this video, we'll explore the mesmerizing uniqueness of tiger stripes and uncover the secrets behind their creation. Every tiger wears a distinctive pattern of stripes, like a personal work of art painted on their skin. These intricate patterns are as unique as human fingerprints, telling the story of each individual tiger.
Tiger stripes are a result of genetic factors that interact in a way that's specific to each tiger. It's nature's way of ensuring that no two tigers are alike.
Behind the scenes, genes and pigmentation work together to create these remarkable patterns. The genetic dance that takes place within each tiger's cells gives rise to the individuality we observe.
The combination of genetic variation and protein interactions leads to the stunning diversity we see in tiger stripe patterns.
These stripes are not only beautiful but also functional. They help tigers blend into their environments seamlessly, becoming true masters of camouflage.
Observing tigers in the wild, you quickly realize how their stripes help them disappear into their surroundings. It's nature's way of giving them an advantage as predators.
Could there be more to these patterns than meets the eye? Some scientists believe that tiger stripes may hold a key to their communication.
Tiger stripes might convey information about an individual's age, health, and social standing. It's a silent language that helps them navigate their complex world.
However, the canvas of tiger stripes faces challenges. Human activities threaten these magnificent creatures and their unique patterns.
Conserving tiger populations and their habitats is crucial to preserving this individuality. We're working to ensure a future where tigers can continue to showcase their unique stripes.
As we conclude our journey, we're reminded of the beauty and fragility of the world around us. Tiger stripes stand as a testament to the diversity and wonder of nature. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of tiger stripes, a canvas of individuality in the animal kingdom. Let's embrace the challenge of safeguarding this natural masterpiece, ensuring that future generations can marvel at the unique artistry of tigers.